Hi everyone, welcome to Sutra Online. This is your Narsimha. Today in this session I am going to explain numerical problems based on parallel connection or parallel combination. So let's start. See here what is given: two resistors having a resistance for 4 ohms and 6 ohms are connected in parallel. Find their equivalent resistance or effective resistance. Now we have to find the equivalent resistance or effective resistance in the circuit. So here 4 ohms and 6 ohms, these two resistances connected in different paths. So for the how it will be that circuit diagram, see here. Right, this is the current, right, this is the 4 ohms and 6 ohms. Here when it is comes here, the current divided two parts. This is the I1 and I2. So that means what? Current divided in two parts means those two resistances connected in a parallel connection. So already mentioned in the question, parallel, and these two resistances are parallel to each other. When the two resistances parallel to each other means we have formula. So what is that formula, Nana? 1 by equivalent R effective resistance is equal to 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So where 1 by R is nothing but effective resistance in the circuit. So that is 1 by R is equal to, what about R1 here? 4 ohms, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6. So what will come here LCM? What is the LCM? So we can take 4 comma 6. So that means 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 2s are 4 means 12 will come here. So 12 is the LCM. So 4 3s are plus 6 2s are. So that 1 by R is equal to, so what will come here? 5 by 12. Then effective resistance is equal to R is equal to 12 by 5. So 5 1s are 5 2s are 0.4. So then effective resistance in the circuit is 2.4 ohms. 2.4 ohms. So that effective resistance is less than least resistance in the circuit. So what is the least resistance in the circuit? That is 4 ohms. So how much we got it, that effective resistance? 2.4. So that is less than of least resistance in the circuit. So this is about first problem, right? Come to next question, ma. Here what is given: a wire of resistance 4R is bent in the form of a circle as shown in the figure. What is the effective resistance between the ends of the diameter? So the total resistance, how much is there, ma? 4 ohms. So that is bent in the form of a circle. So that upper part is 2R and lower part is 2R. Now by using of this diagram, I am going to draw that circuit diagram. So that is nothing but here 2 ohms and this is 2 ohms. Here these 2 ohms are parallel to each other. These 2 ohms are parallel to each other. Now we have to find the effective resistance in the circuit. Effective resistance in the circuit. When the two resistances parallel to each other means what is their formula? Effective resistance is equal to 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So what is given, ma? 2R, sorry, this is a 2R ohms and this one also 2R, right? So 1 by 2R plus 1 by 2R. So what is the LCM here? So LCM is nothing but 2R and 1 plus 1, that is 1 by R equal to, then 1 by R is equal to 2 by 2R. So where 2 cancel, then effective resistance RE, effective resistance 1 by RE is equal to 1 by R. So that means RE is equal to R. So what is the effective resistance in the circuit? That is R. So if I take R is equal to, for example, 5 ohms, then what is the answer? Effective resistance in the circuit? 5 ohms. So this is related to second problem, right? Come to third problem, ma. So this third problem, what is given here? What is the equivalent resistance between points A and B of the shown in the figure? So This is a circuit diagram. Actually this question is very very important. One time this question came in a SSC exam, I think 2 years back, SSC board exam. So very very important this question. If you observe the diagram, three resistances are there in the circuit. So these are connected in parallel connection or series connection. We have to first initially we have to find the, so right, for example I am going to take this junction. At this point current is divided into two parts, I1 and so right I2. So when it is comes here also, how much here also that current divided into here and so current is dividing each resistance. Here a current, for example here 10 here I1. So when it is comes here, that current again divided into two parts. Again when it is comes to this junction here also, the current is divided. So current is divided here also. So that means through each resistor, through each resistance, the current will be different here. Through each resistor or resistance, the current will be different. When the current will be different means what, Nana? Those three resistances are connected in a parallel connection. Or if you observe from the diagram, A comma D are equipotentials. So equipotential points here, A comma D are equipotential points, and C and B also equipotential points. So that means what, Nana? So when the potential is equal means those three resistances are connected in the parallel connection. If you go like this in the current, here current also going to become parts. So different current is passing in different paths. So and potential also equal. That means these three resistances are connected in a parallel connection. So I am going to make this diagram easy way, ma. If you observe here, A comma D are having equipotential means what, Nana? Here the circuit is become so C comma B, right? Now so 2R and R. Now the circuit diagram is easy because three resistances are connected in parallel connection. Right now you can by using a formula. What is that formula, Nana? Equivalent resistance. When the three resistances are connected in parallel connection means what will come? 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Now you can substitute values, ma. You can substitute values. So what will get here? 1 by R is equal to, so 1 by 2R plus 1 by 2R plus 1 by R. So what is the LCM here? 2R is the LCM. So that means 1 plus 2, so which is equal to 1 by R equal to. So 1 by R is equal to here 4 by 2R. So then equivalent resistance or effective resistance in the circuit is equal to 2R by 4. So 2 1s are 2 2s are. Then equivalent resistance or effective resistance is equal to R by 2. So this is the effective resistance in the circuit. If I take R is equal to 10 ohms, then what you will get, Nana? Here effective resistance is so 10 by 2. That means 2 1s are 2 5s are. So 5 ohms is the effective resistance in the circuit. Okay. So these are the problems based upon parallel connection. For more videos, for more information, download the Sutra online app. Thank you for everyone.